Itong system mo, magkano abot eh?
Ano sir?
Pinakasagad niyo, magkano yan?
Ano sir?
Uy, diyan pala kayo. Tara, lugaw. Samahan nyo kami mamaya. Meron tayong client for project management. Tutor namin kayo para na ginagawa yung mga process namin. Tara.
Hello, good morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa
Hello, nandito tayo ngayon sa RevCon at meron tayong digitalization project with them. So dalawa yung po-propose natin. Isa project management at isang hospital management.
Hello, sir. Gia. Nice to meet you.
Our software journey, on a small concept lang, kami rin ang nag-develop. Ang tawag po din ay Appear Salvation. So if you want tubero, electrician, massage therapist, and anything na may service labandera, pwede mo i-book dito. The difference is verified siya. To avoid all those fake bookings, may Face ID and valid ID card. Service provider naman, hihinga namin ng proof of competency, company profile, magaan sa interview process. Para both, nag-verify namin. DevOps po, we are a group that is on the industry for 13 years now. End-to-end capable din po kami at developing, integrating, and up to anything na may kinalaman sa software. We customize softwares based on the needs of clients. The clients have their freedom kung ano yung flow na gusto nila. Sales, purchasing, inventory, accounting, HR. We also do enterprise resource planning systems.
Kumbaga itong ano natin, yung check-in, check-out, halimbawa, nagpasok ka ng item for yung
Ano kung minamanage yung air conditioning?
ayun, pwede naman yun sir.
Pwede na.
Pwede nyo na kami kunin as retainer. Like for example, ayan.
Itong system mo, magkano abot eh?
Ano sir? Kasama na dun sir yung implementation, project management, kumbaga training,
Pinakasagad niyo, magkano yan?
ano sir?
As a sir, consider yourself an empowered. Teras naman natin parehas na makapag-close ng projects.
Alright, so na-close natin yung project kanina. Nag-sign up sila ng retainer at bumili sila sa atin ng project management system. And hopefully, ma-empower natin sila sa kanilang mga next clients for software at mga pa ng maraming mga referrals. Another business ang naging tech-driven today, guys. And with DevOps, salamat sa tiwala ninyo sa amin. Till the next client, guys. Samahan niyo ulit kami. Bye-bye!